Oh, I didn't get a nickname for you. We're gonna call you, I don't know. We're gonna call you Co-Ed.
That works.
Does that work for you? I could call you Aviator. You have sunglasses on, but so well, let's just get on with it here. This appears to be your right foot. Co-Ed, what happened to your leg?
Well, I was getting ready to go out, just showered, put lotion on, sat down with my curling rod set to 425 degrees.
Well, nice.
The cord got caught on my hand and fell on my leg, and this is what happened.
Wow. I mean, just that fast, right? So you have did it hurt?
It was kind of weird, like the skin kind of sloughed off as soon as the burn happened, and it was fresh.
Right.
It stung like a burn, but the real pain started happening about a week later.
Right.
And every time I walk, it feels like it's tugging.
Yeah. And how long ago did this occur?
13 days.
Yeah. The reason it didn't really hurt very much when you initially did this was you had a full thickness burn. Okay, when you have a full thickness burn, I believe you did anyway, because it looks like you did. If you have a full thickness burn, then you burn all the pain receptors away, so that it doesn't hurt. And so you're only having pain now as things are healing.
I wish it would have stayed that way then.
Right, and that's why, because of the fact that you burnt the skin all the way through, it can only heal really from the sides in. It won't heal from the middle.
Well, when I put Neosporin on it or any kind of Band-Aid, it creates this like sticky gold ooze on top of it. But when I don't have a Band-Aid, that doesn't happen. Yeah.
So there's a burn cream I can give you that'll be better than using Neosporin. This is just going to take a lot of time to heal. It has to heal from the edges in. It can't heal in the middle, so it takes longer to heal, and you have to be patient and keep it clean and covered, and don't put any more Neosporin. The best thing I can tell you to do. But it'll eventually heal. It's just going to take a long time. It's not like a cut that should heal in a week or so, 10 days maybe. A burn like this will take weeks and weeks to heal, sometimes months. Okay? So, sorry about that. You have to be careful. We all have accidents, right, though? So really can't fault you for that. We can just say, hey, you had a burn, and we're going to give you the burn cream for it, and you're going to do fine. But that, believe it or not, is not infected. Did you think it might be infected?
My mom was worried.
Yeah, so moms are great, and they're usually right, and it's always okay to get things checked out. But that's not infected. That's just what it's supposed to look like when it's healing. And so we'll get you some burn cream to put on there, and you can keep a dressing on it going forward, and you should do fine.
Awesome.
All right, Co-Ed, well, be careful out there, okay? Are you okay if we video you for our friends on YouTube and Facebook? Okay, I forgot to ask that. I usually ask that up front. All right, but you'll be fine, and this will heal, and you'll do well. It will leave a nasty scar, though, unfortunately.
To get that lasered over there.
Yeah, work on that later, Brian. Okay, see you later.
Hi, my name's Leanne, and I just want to do a review for Cocoa Skin Plus. I've been on it for about 2.5 months now. I do recommend it. It has given me, I don't know if you want to zoom in, my nails have definitely gotten stronger, and my hair. I did bleach my hair last year. Don't ever bleach your hair. It will kill your hair. And finally, my hair is actually looking normal. Thanks to this, actually. And it's a 90-day supply. It took about, I wasn't seeing anything really until a month and a half in to really notice changes, but it's been doing great. I love it.